Hi everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. It is a very rainy, dreary day here in Connecticut. Perfect time for a little Halloween crafting. Stay tuned. I have an array of things on the table and I have a general idea of what I think might work, but I think I'm just gonna have to play around with it. So what I have here, everything is from Joann. I have a terrarium, I have some moss, I have some rubber cockroaches, I have some cobwebs, and then I have a couple of these little mini sort of fairy accessories from the Makers collection, and I think those will fit in nicely. These are some glittery skulls. These are some adorable little bottle brush trees, and then some glow-in-the-dark skulls. And then I also have this little mini succulent that I've spray painted and dipped in glitter. I thought that might be sort of fun in there. So I'm gonna play around. The first thing that I wanna do is I actually wanna add some Halloween details to the terrarium itself. I opted for this glitter vinyl, which I liked because it added just a little bit of sparkle. I'm not gonna lie, getting the vinyl onto and into this glass, it was not as easy as I thought. So I may have been doing something wrong. Maybe the vinyl's not right, but I got a couple of them in there. A lot of them just didn't work. I did have some spider webs that I was gonna put along the top, but it just didn't look right. So I think maybe less is more. So I have some trees, I have a spider, and now I'm ready to put together this terrarium. I love that this moss isn't quite green. It looks a little bit spooky to me. So I'm gonna build this on the bottom. And I'm not gonna use any adhesive, but you're always welcome to go in with a hot glue gun if you are having trouble kind of getting your terrarium to stay in place. So I'm gonna leave that there.